Man behind this power bank is absolutely a genius. This is a 21PCS 18650 power bank case wireless fast charge PD3.0 QC4.0 for phone charging, no soldering, push-pull DIY battery storage boxes. Get extra 76% off discount with our link in this video descriptions below. Buy right now, start from 7us. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected on the go is essential, and having a reliable power source for your devices is a must. Enter the 21PCS 18650 power bank case, a game changer in the realm of portable charging solutions. This innovative power bank case offers a host of features that make it a standout choice for tech-savvy individuals looking to stay powered up wherever life takes them. Compatible with 18650 lithium-ion batteries, the 21PCS power bank case is designed to deliver fast and efficient charging for a wide range of devices. Whether you're charging your smartphone, tablet, or other gadgets, this power bank case ensures rapid charging speeds, thanks to its support for PD3.0 and QC4.0 fast charging protocols. With its wireless charging capability, you can conveniently charge your devices without the hassle of tangled cables, making it perfect for life on the go. One of the standout features of the 21PCS power bank case is its innovative push-pull design, which eliminates the need for soldering during assembly. This user-friendly design makes it easy for DIY enthusiasts to customize their power bank without any specialized tools or expertise. Simply insert the 18650 batteries into the case, secure the cover with the push-pull mechanism, and you're ready to go. Versatile battery storage boxes. With 21 slots for 18650 batteries, the power bank case offers ample storage space for your battery collection. Whether you're stocking up on spare batteries for emergencies or building a custom power bank for extended trips, this case has you covered. The individual battery compartments are designed to securely hold each battery in place, preventing slippage or damage during transport. Durable construction and protection features. Constructed from high-quality materials, the 21PCS power bank case is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. The rugged exterior provides protection against bumps, drops, and scratches, ensuring that your batteries and devices remain safe and secure at all times. The 21PCS 18650 power bank case is a versatile and practical solution for anyone in need of portable power on the go. With its seamless compatibility, fast charging capabilities, push-pull design, versatile battery storage boxes, durable construction, and protection features, this power bank case ticks all the boxes for convenience, reliability, and performance.